these ones go into the go inside the rubber, because it needs to clip the rubber and keep it still. So there it is. This is bi-directional, by the way, and you just need to use the second channel from the silicone, and I recommend cutting them a little bit more, because you need to have a little bit of wiping power, for example. This is already bent, so I'm gonna place this one inside like that and just slide it into the first just checking to see if it is the first or third or second channel, and it's the first channel, as you can see. And they slide in, sorry, very easily. And that's pretty much it, actually. Just need to pay attention and position the ends correctly and to the same length, and just clipping them. As they should, and they are, as you can see, all around the same. And this one is loose, and you need to clip this one, and I recommend also clipping this one. The last time I didn't clip it because the rubber had the grooves, which was held in place by these ones, and it couldn't slide off. So basically, for extra protection, I'm gonna close these ones using some pliers, and that's pretty much it. Right. That's pretty much it. This one also. And once you feel some resistance, that's basically the stopping point, and there is the finished product. Very clean, very straight. Well, almost perfect, almost straight, because it's not factory, but anyway, it works. And I'm gonna check for some clay to see if they accidentally slide off, but everything is okay. You don't need, for extra protection you can use and just clamp these ones because they are a little bit they have a little bit play, but I think that it's somewhat recommended for them to have a little bit play, just because when they wipe, you know, they move a little, and maybe that's good because you want to have some play in it, so the rubber or the silicone won't wear off that easily. And that's pretty much it. Very easy, very straightforward, very cheap. You can do this in, I don't know, let's say 30 minutes for the first time, and then 15-20 minutes or even less the second time. And just a tip, use a screwdriver just like this one, just place it inside and wiggle it left and right, and that's pretty much it. You don't need to use these pliers because the teeth don't enter that easily in these grooves. So this is the key. The pliers basically are for gripping, and that's pretty much it. And I cut off a little bit more, and now I'm gonna show you the first one. So basically there is a little bit of difference in the length, but as you can see, but I'm not worried about it because I can cut it off very easily, and that would be pretty much it. And just for some extra safety, yeah, they're okay. I'm gonna test them out, and anyway, the results will be better if this, for example, catches the corner and that doesn't wipe the glass very well. I'm just gonna cut it off very easily. That's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and keep up the good work.